Hello from long time. I got this Credential 2324 hobby box. So this is new product for me, and there is some Bedard we can chase. So it's like 6 cards per pack and 8 cards per box. Not big box, but many people have recommended this and said that this is best credentials for a long time. So that is, you can get some autograph and many other inserts. So let's see what we're gonna get here. Let's hope some low numbered Bedard cards, and also there's a lot of many good rookies. What I have seen this box opening, there has been a lot of rookie cards. So let's hope the best. Haven't got any good Bedard cards yet, but let's see. This is like a little allure box. There's some good safety things there. So 4 packs. Let's see. This is very different series than many others. So I can't say. I don't know many things about this. So but let's see. So this is the base ones. Very nice looking cards. So some Mark Stone, Vasilevsky. His first insert, it's who's the next? So it's Jamie Drysdale, who's the next? And oh, this is nice. Retro season ticket access. Tyson Foster. This is not so common, but not the greatest name. And debut ticket access. Matthew Kessel. And then some base ones. Eric Carlson. So was this debut ticket access? It wasn't numbered, or was it? Yeah, it's numbered. It's 112 to 125. It's very hard to see, and this is nice one also. Of course, I would want some better name, but nice card indeed. So second one. Jack Hughes base. William Nylander and Quinn Hughes. Who's the best? And what's that? I think we changed this direction. Kyle O'Connor, speed of the game. And then just base ones. Dawson Mercer and Auston Matthews. Speed of the game. Kyle O'Connor. Nice looking card also, but not numbered one. So let's hope we get autograph here, but you can't get from every hobby box, I guess. So Batterson, Giroux, and highly anticipated Jiri Pater, and I guess this is speed of the game, but it looks, no, I thought it's gold one, but it's normal silver, so it's Owen Beck, Canadians. And then the base ones, Svechnikov and Heiskanen. So no Bedard yet, and no other good names like Luke Hughes or any other. Robert Thomas, Hellebuck, and highly anticipated Ridley Greek. And what is this? Debut ticket access. Joona Koppanen. Finnish. I like this. Got some Finnish rookie card, and it's know if you can see it, but it's for $9.99, so not so rare, but very nice looking card. And then some base ones, Wyatt Johnston and McCann. So we are halfway through this hobby box. Got one Finnish card, some rookie. So Lucas Raymond, Fleury, and what is this? This is blue. I don't know if this is some parallel or not. I'm not sure. Who's the best? Ovechkin. And Logan Thompson. This is numbered quite low numbered also. 149. Logan Thompson. And Slavkovsky and Take Thompson. Some low numbered, but not any good names. Shane Wright, Shesterkin base, and this Carter. No, it's not Carter Hart. It's Samuel Ersson. Who's the next? This is quite hard to read those names at different light. So, and this is our autograph. Jared McCann. Nice looking card, but not what we wanted. Sticker auto. Main stage signatures. Nice looking card, but not the one we wanted. Some Pasta and Kyle Connor. 2 packs left. No Bedard yet. Barzal, Larkin, and what's this? Insert. Boston. Oh, it's highly anticipated, and again, Joona Koppanen. Finnish ice hockey player, rookie. And this is Ty Carte. A lot of Kraken players. Mikko Rantanen and Roman Josi. Base ones. And this was numbered also. It was $7.99. And last pack. final hope for Bedard. Alex Tuck, Tavares, and Levi Meriläinen, highly anticipated, not numbered, and Mattia Poitras. This is, wow, this is pink, so this is very low numbered, Poitras, and for 49, that's quite good pull. So I think this is the best one here. It's gonna be a future name, this Poitras, and Miller and Chekai. So this was very nice looking cards. Nothing great. Maybe this Poitras is the best pull in this box. Of course, the auto was quite nice, but not the greatest name, like I said. But this is very nice series, and I like it very much. So let's hope we can get another box, these credentials. But have a nice evening and have a great week. We will get some hobby box and let's open those together. Yes, see ya.